Hey everybody, it's Pam. I just wanted to say hey real quick and show you guys my new shirt. I haven't been anywhere to wear it, so I just decided to wear it around the house a little bit. So last night we got 1.5 inches of rain and it is just a mess out here. Brian went to check our road, and if you're new to the channel, I'm Pam and my husband's Brian, and we're trying to build a straw bale home, and we live off grid in Arizona. It's been raining a lot. We picked the worst possible time to build a house, but hey, what are you gonna do? It is what it is, and I don't like that term, but anyway, I hope you'll stick around and watch this video, and I just want to say thank you to all the people, all my friends that have regularly watched this, my friends and family, and especially those of you who continue to come back. I started this channel about a year ago, and before that we had started Midlife Prices channel about 3 years ago. I included a picture of Brian with a wig on, and Nona Grace will know what that means. So thank you to everybody, and I hope you watch the video and leave me a comment. Let me know what you think.
Or move it.
So this one, I can tell it's a rattlesnake because I see the rattle. That looks like a baby.
It's small.
Are we gonna walk past, or what are we gonna do?
We could go up that way first if you want.
Oh my. Can I get close? I know I shouldn't get too close, but how many feet away would you say?
You can get right up next to it.
If that
You can pet it.
If it moves, I will probably freak. Yeah, it has a little rattle, so I'm gonna see if I can zoom in a little bit. Oh. Yikes. Okay. Huh.
It actually shows up pretty good on the camera.
Oh wow,
Usually the
that's
camera
pretty
doesn't do
good.
it justice, but there's a nice rainbow, actually double. It's kind of getting brighter and a little bigger.
So the sun is over here.
Yeah, so look at that edge right there of that
Whoa,
storm.
you can see the rain coming down.
To the storm right there. So it's clear over here.
Whoa, these clouds look crazy.
Yeah, it's all dark all the way around here.
So this is why we can't get anything done, because it's constantly raining.
And unfortunately,
wow, look how angry those clouds look. There's a big dust cloud over yonder. The wind is insane. Hold on to your butts. It's going to be a bumpy ride. Oh my. This trailer's rocking. You're supposed to say, don't come a knocking. Don't come a knocking. Well, there's a gutter out there now. We'll see if it's going to collect any water. There's no pipe yet, but there's a garbage can. He got the gutter up today, and so the gutter is running along this edge here, and there's a trash can right on the other side of that. And it's kind of scary in here because feels like it's gonna flip over sometimes. You're a lot more aware of the storm whenever whenever you're in a tin box.
It could roll you over.
It could roll us over. Let's hope it doesn't. Is this a hazmat suit? What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do?
Ow.
Turn around here when you get all that on. Huh?
It's ripped.
What's ripped? Look how short they...
Yeah.
Are you expecting a flood?
Yes. Yes, I am.
That was funny, huh? They used to call those high waters back in the 70s. Ah, be careful. Stay alive no matter what occurs. The bugs are really bad in my workout room. So I'm hoping that this little guy will eat them all. Can you do that for me, please? They won't leave me alone. The bugs will not leave me alone. This is our little dog Dallas, and I've been doing a lot of paintings of pets, so I decided to do one of her. She died when she was 14 years old, but we miss her every single day. I still need to add a few details to this painting, like on the fur, but I think I'm pretty close to being done with it.